Okay, we're going out to lunch. This is the first time we'll be going out since we arrived here in last September 11. So we're quite excited. Thank God. Alberdi Eder Park. It's right in front of the Ayuntamiento, and it has these dwarf trees. And above the Ayuntamiento, you can see the statue of Jesus Christ. That used to be a fortress, and they put the statue of Jesus Christ to protect them. If you notice, well, maybe not because it's too far away, but Jesus Christ is facing in, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
facing up.
It's facing inland, not facing the sea. There's a history to that, but that's for another day. Here, stop for a bit because it's really a beautiful park. Okay. And that's La Concha over there. It's La Concha Beach on the left. Just behind the Ayuntamiento is Parte Vieja. That's where all the bars and restaurants are. And so we're going there for lunch. To a Japanese restaurant called Kenji. This park has a merry-go-round. at around 5 or 6 in the afternoon, the children would be here playing in that small playground over there and riding the merry-go-round. That's a Ayuntamiento. It's quite beautiful.